Welcome to LaraK's Oracle. This is a mystical space where ancient wisdom meets modern intuition. Let's start a tarot journey together. Let tarot speak to us. Hi everyone, this is LaraK. To be honest, I'm not a fortune teller or anything like that for now. I'm new to tarot, but I'm super curious about tarot and committed to start my tarot journey. Right now, I see tarot as a mirror which reflects what's going on in our lives and in our hearts. But I believe later, the cards will show us big pictures and give us hints about our past, present, and future. Here on this channel, I'm going to talk about card meanings, do actual readings, and share little stories and thoughts that come up along the way. I mainly use the Rider-Waite deck, which is the classic one, and I break them down so that even if you are totally new just like me, the interpretations will still make sense. But if you have been reading for a while, I hope you will still find some fresh insights here. Please feel free to leave your thoughts below if you have anything to say. Every single card has its own meanings or something to say. For instance, the Fool. Generally, it reminds us to take opportunities. The Empress brings creative energy and power. And the Tower, sometimes things fall apart, but other bad things may come along, which may be a good thing. Tarot doesn't give us firm answers, but it does ask really good questions. To be honest, sometimes the question itself is the answer. As you know, tarot has been around for a long time, like since the 1400s in Europe. It started as a card game for rich families and nobles only, just for fun. But over time, people began to see things deeper in the cards. The way in using and reading cards continuously evolved. By the 1700s or so, tarot became more of a spiritual and symbolic tool. Quite interesting evolvement, right? So, a typical tarot deck has 78 cards in total. There are 22 major cards. They are the Major Arcana, and they symbol big life themes. For the rest, 56 cards are the Minor Arcana, and they are into 4 groups, including Cups, Swords, Wands, and Pentacles. Each group deals with different parts of life, like feelings, thoughts, actions, and the material world. Every card has its own vibe and message. Like the Sun usually means happiness and clarity, while the Moon is more about dreams, confusion, or even secrets. And the meaning can shift depending on the question or the spread, especially when the card shows up upside down. When we do a reading, we don't just pull random cards. We lay them out in a specific pattern. That's called a spread. The easiest and most common one is the 3-card spread, which is symbolizing past, present, and future. There are more complex ones too, like the Celtic cross, which provides deeper insights. It's kind of like a layout that helps us to understand how the story unfolds. In the next video, we will start from the Major Arcana and meet card 0, the Fool. Please don't let the name fool you. He's not foolish at all. He's very open-minded, curious, and ready to step into the unknown. Beginning with the Fool, we will start our journey from now on. Okay, now let the crystal ball start rolling. So, if this speaks to you, go ahead and subscribe to LaraK's Oracle. Let's explore tarot together and maybe discover something unexpected in the cards and in ourselves.